Wiring of infrared emitter. The following shows how to install and wire a 4CH IR emitter with current detection. It is primarily used to achieve infrared triggering controls for devices like TVs and air conditioners. The emitter comes equipped with the following features: the bus interface, one channel for current detection, and 4 terminals that connect the infrared transmitter. With its 4 channels, this module can control up to 4 air conditioners or TVs. Now, let's proceed with the wiring and installation process. To begin, insert the network cable into the bus interface for power supply and communication. If the operation is correct, the indicator light will start blinking. Next, we have the infrared transmitters, each with a length of 1.5 meters. If your cable length is insufficient, you can easily extend it on site by using additional cables. Install the infrared transmitter on the corresponding channel. You may use auxiliary tools to firmly press them into place. By following these steps, the wiring is complete. Normally, the infrared transmitter module is installed in the socket back box near the controlled device. You can check the position of the probe as a reference.